Westinghouse 2200 generator, portable inverter, what you need to know. A quiet and efficient inverter generator is essential when the power goes out. A portable inverter generator such as the Westinghouse 2200 is lightweight, compact, and reliable. An active throttle ensures maximum fuel efficiency and quiet operation of this generator, which produces stable, clean power. The device also features plug-and-play parallel capability, making setup simple. The Westinghouse 2200 portable inverter generator is the perfect choice for emergency backup power or to power up your home devices. Westinghouse 2200 generator specifications. Product description. Whether you require emergency backup power or travel power, the Westinghouse 2200 generator is the perfect choice. There are no complicated instructions to follow, so setting it up and using it will be hassle-free. With this generator, you can also bundle it with other essentials like food, water, and emergency lighting to save money. For powering appliances like refrigerators and large appliances, the iGen 2200 portable inverter generator produces 2200 peak watts and 1800 running watts. The iGen 2200 is equipped with a 4-stroke OHV Westinghouse engine that automatically adjusts its engine speed to power various appliances. Lightweight, compact, and dependable. Can you imagine traveling with a portable generator that weighs only 46 pounds? You won't find a better generator than the Westinghouse 2200. Generators are great for camping, tailgating, or just for when the power goes out. A lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store, and the automatic shut-off system prevents overloading. The suitcase-style handle makes transportation and storage simple. With its economy mode for maximum fuel efficiency, it can run 12 hours on a 1.2-gallon gas tank. Active throttle for maximum fuel efficiency and quiet operation. An emergency generator can be a lifesaver. It's nice to know that your portable generator can help out during all kinds of craziness. Among the best features of the Westinghouse 2200 generator is its active throttle system. As a result, fuel efficiency can be maximized and noise levels can be reduced. Due to the low engine speed, operation noise can be as low as 52 decibels, making it a great choice for community usage. The iGen 2200 also features an ultra-low tone for community-friendly use, operating as low as 52 dB, which is quieter than a normal conversation. You can use the Westinghouse 2200 generator for anything from emergency power needs, to just powering up your home when there is a power outage. Stable, clean, low THD power output. With a 2200 inverter generator, you can generate clean, stable, and low THD power at home and in the office. Additionally, it offers stable power output and low THD ratings, making it ideal for sensitive electronics like plasma/LCD televisions, laptops, and more. Plasma/LCD televisions, laptops, and tablets cannot be damaged by the iGen 2200, unlike traditional generators. You should choose the Westinghouse 2200 inverter generator if you want a generator that is both reliable and safe. Plug-and-play parallel capability. With its plug-and-play parallel capability, the Westinghouse 2200 generator is a portable inverter. This allows you to connect multiple devices, such as TVs, laptops, and toys, without having to reconfigure the outlet. The iGen 2200 can also be paired with a compatible Westinghouse inverter generator to combine power outputs. For use at home or in the office, its compact design and easy-to-use features make it ideal. Durable 80cc Westinghouse engine. Regardless of the type of emergency you're facing, a generator will come in handy. You can use the Westinghouse 2200 generator to power your home or your business, no matter what you need. It has an 80cc displacement that can run your home, and it's portable so you can take it with you wherever you go. As well as being durable, the engine meets the emission standards set by the EPA and CARB. When low oil is detected, the engine automatically shuts down, and a 3-year limited warranty is provided. Conclusion? The Westinghouse 2200 generator is a lightweight, compact, and reliable portable generator. Parallel devices can be run on this generator due to its stable, clean power output. Additionally, the active throttle optimizes fuel efficiency and allows the generator to operate quietly.